Hello, I'm Dr. Picard, Doctor of Chiropractic and Integrative Health Coach. Today, I want to talk to you about something that affects millions of professionals, entrepreneurs, executives, healthcare providers, and high performers every single day: chronic stress and burnout. The challenge is that burnout rarely happens overnight. In most cases, your body begins sending warning signals months before you reach a breaking point. Unfortunately, many people ignore these signals because they believe that they can simply push through, work harder, or recover later. But eventually, the body stops negotiating. You may recognize some of these thoughts. I'm running on adrenaline. I can't seem to recover, even on weekends. I'm constantly tired, but I can't slow down. Everything feels harder than it used to. I'm less patient with the people I care about, and I'm no longer enjoying what I do. If any of these statements sound familiar, your body may already be showing signs of chronic stress or pre-burnout. A simple way to understand the difference is this. Pre-burnout is like driving a car with the fuel warning light on. The car is still moving. You can still get where you're going, but your reserves are running dangerously low. Burnout is very different. It's like trying to start your car on a cold winter morning with a completely dead battery. So what are the hidden signs of chronic stress and pre-burnout? The first category is physical. You may experience persistent fatigue despite getting enough rest, waking up feeling unrefreshed even after a full night's sleep, difficulty falling asleep or staying asleep, chronic tension in the neck, shoulders, back, or jaw, nighttime teeth grinding, also known as bruxism, frequent headaches, digestive disturbances. Emotionally, you may notice increasing irritability. You may become less patient, more emotionally sensitive, more anxious. You may feel constantly under pressure. And you may find it difficult to relax, even during activities you normally enjoy. Chronic stress also affects your ability to think clearly. You may notice difficulty concentrating, more frequent forgetfulness, brain fog, difficulty making decisions, or constant mental rumination that never seems to switch off. Behaviorally, warning signs often include working longer and longer hours, difficulty disconnecting from work, giving up hobbies and enjoyable activities, reliance on caffeine, alcohol, or other stimulants, and progressive social withdrawal from family, friends, and activities that once brought joy. If chronic stress continues unchecked, it can eventually progress into burnout. At that stage, symptoms become much more severe. Physically, many people experience profound exhaustion, not ordinary tiredness, a deep depletion that makes even simple daily tasks feel overwhelming. Emotionally, people often describe feeling empty, detached, overwhelmed, or unable to experience joy. Cognitive performance may decline significantly. Memory becomes less reliable. Concentration becomes difficult. Thinking slows down. Mistakes become more frequent. Many individuals also lose their sense of purpose and fulfillment at work. They may become increasingly detached, cynical, or disconnected from colleagues, clients, or patients. Psychologically, burnout can be associated with significant anxiety, persistent sadness, loss of confidence, feelings of helplessness, and in some cases, symptoms of depression. The good news is that burnout is not something you have to face alone. At Wellness Spirit, we use a comprehensive assessment based on the 4 pillars of our wellness pyramid: musculoskeletal health, metabolic health, emotional health. This allows us to identify the root causes of stress, pre-burnout, and burnout. From there, we create a personalized recovery strategy tailored specifically to your needs. Even when symptoms are already affecting daily life, recovery is absolutely possible. With the right guidance and a targeted approach, many people are able to restore their energy, improve their resilience, and regain optimal well-being within just a few months. If you recognize yourself in these symptoms, don't ignore them. Your body may already be asking for help.
Thank you for spending this time with us today. If any part of this video resonated with you, remember that chronic stress and burnout are not signs of weakness. They are signals that your body and mind need support. The earlier you take action, the easier recovery becomes. At Wellness Spirit, our team is here to help you better understand your health, identify the root causes of stress, and create a personalized path toward renewed energy, resilience, and long-term well-being. We invite you to visit Wellness Spirit Clinic and discover how a comprehensive, integrative approach can help you feel and perform at your very best. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to supporting you on your wellness journey.